Hello everybody. We hope that you are all doing well. Today we want to show you the service that Laxmi offer to everyone. In here we have the EMCO Padovani that we will deliver to one of our clients. As you can see, our team did an incredible job and the machine looks like it has never been used. This video was made in our Indian warehouse in Faridabad for checking the proper functioning of this machine before transporting it to our client. It is mechanically perfect, every piece move in a smooth way. The spindle, the 4-axis, the turret, and then the live tools are in as new conditions, and we are 100% sure that our client will be satisfied by the quality of our service. You can be the next one. Just contact us and we will help you find what you need. Visit our website at www.laxmusmachine.com and find our catalog with all the details and photos of our machines as well as our location. One last turret rotation to be sure and we are done. There is something charming in watching this turret moving. Looks like that this machine works perfectly, so we can end here our quality control. What do you think? For us, this machine is ready to start working even right now. Leave a comment down below. Unfortunately, the video ends here, but don't worry, we will be back very soon. For now, thank you for watching until the end. Remember to subscribe and leave a like if you want. See you next time.